Imagine waking up in a world where your doctor is assisted by artificial intelligence, your car can drive itself, your job is evolving, and your creativity is amplified by machines. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Welcome to 2026, the era where artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's part of everyday life. In this video, we'll explore what AI really is, how it's changing jobs, how it affects education, the risks and opportunities, and what you should do to stay ahead. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, making decisions, even creating music, stories, and art. For decades, AI was only theory, something discussed in labs and science fiction books, but recent breakthroughs have changed everything. Organizations like OpenAI have introduced systems that can talk, write, analyze, and assist humans in real time, including conversational tools such as ChatGPT. For the first time in history, millions of people interact with AI almost like speaking to another human being. AI is no longer hidden behind technical walls. It's accessible, affordable, and everywhere. It's not just software, it's a new layer of intelligence built into society, and we are only at the beginning. Whenever technology advances, people ask the same question. Will AI take our jobs? The real answer is more complex. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's transforming them. Routine tasks are being automated. Data entry, customer service, scheduling, basic design work, repetitive analysis. But at the same time, new careers are emerging. AI trainers, data ethicists, automation engineers, human-AI collaboration specialists, creative directors working alongside intelligent tools. History teaches us something important. Technology doesn't eliminate work, it changes the kind of work humans do. The most valuable skills in the AI era are creativity, critical thinking, communication, emotional intelligence, adaptability. Machines are fast, but humans are imaginative, and that combination is powerful. Education is undergoing one of the biggest revolutions in human history. AI tutors can now personalize lessons, adjust difficulty in real time, identify learning gaps, and teach in multiple languages. Students no longer learn at the same pace, they learn at their own pace. This creates a future where rural students access world-class education, language barriers disappear, and knowledge becomes global. A child in a small village can learn from the same AI-powered tools as a student in the world's biggest cities. But this progress also raises a challenge. Students must learn how to think, not just how to use AI, because in a world where machines provide answers, the real skill is asking better questions. Every powerful technology brings risks. AI introduces serious ethical questions. Who controls the data? Can AI be biased? Should machines make decisions about people's lives? How do we protect privacy? How do we prevent misuse? Governments are creating new laws. Researchers are building safer systems. Companies are setting guidelines, but responsibility doesn't belong only to institutions. It belongs to all of us. We must understand how AI works, because the future should not be shaped blindly, it should be shaped consciously. The AI revolution is not about machines replacing humans, it's about humans upgrading themselves. To stay ahead in the AI era, learn digital skills, stay curious, adapt quickly, use AI as a tool, not a crutch, focus on creativity and empathy. The people who succeed won't be the ones who fear AI, they'll be the ones who collaborate with it. Think of AI as a bicycle for your mind. It doesn't move without you, but with you, it can go incredibly far. Every generation faces a moment that defines its future. For our generation, that moment is artificial intelligence. The question is not, will AI change the world? It already is. The real question is, how will you change with it? The future is not written by machines, it's written by the humans who choose how to use them, and that future starts today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like this video.